Let's sketch something in image. To use Samsung Galaxy AI, first of all, you have to sign into your Samsung account. You can watch this video to learn how to activate Samsung Galaxy AI. Go to your gallery and open the photo where you want to sketch something. Now just tap on this icon here. And now here select sketch to image. And now you can draw anything you want to generate in the image. I'm drawing here a rabbit, for example, and tapping on generate. And it may take some moments to generate the subject in your photo. And here we can see the sketch successfully generated. And if you want to get more results, just swipe to the left, just tap on generate one more. And here you can see my second result. Now if you want to save any of the sketch, just tap on this download icon. And now go to your gallery again and just leave from here. And as you can see, my sketch photo successfully saved. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.